Garment Enterprise Digitization Operating System, abbreviated as GEDOS. The GEDOS system obtains real-time data on the production site through various data collection devices and technologies, such as equipment status, operating time, equipment output, environmental data, etc. Helps enterprises to identify problems in time, respond quickly, and improve management level. In the GEDOS system, workshop supervisors can manage production orders uniformly, including order quantity, delivery time, responsible persons, raw materials, etc. Arrange production plans reasonably, and ensure timely delivery of orders. Issuing work orders to employees or workstations, planning work hours, and developing process flow. Help enterprises optimize production paths and improve production efficiency. During the manufacturing process, the system can track and grasp the production situation at any time. Managers only need a mobile phone to keep track of the production status of all orders from any location. The GEDOS system provides workstation management functions, allowing employees to quickly receive and query work orders at their workstations. During the execution of production tasks, relevant process requirements, equipment descriptions, videos, and graphic introductions can be viewed online to help employees standardize operational requirements and improve product quality. If there are problems during the production process, employees can quickly report the situation on the execution end, such as equipment failures, product quality, raw material issues, etc., and promptly notify relevant personnel to handle them, reducing order delays caused by production problems. After the production is completed, the production results can be quickly reported, making it convenient for managers to keep track of the production situation and adjust task planning in time. Through the GEDOS management system, clothing enterprises can quickly respond to personalized customization needs of consumers, while also improving their production efficiency and quality management level. Today, let us enter Rich Piece Digital Garment Microfactory. Let's explore how garment companies achieve digital transformation. Everything is data-driven here, relying on the 6 industrializations to realize digital transformation and intelligent upgrade through Rich Piece Garment Enterprise Digital Operation System, from shop sales, order production, inspection and warehousing, and finished product delivery. All have achieved standardization and digitization. Really achieve one enterprise, one platform, one standard, one system. Smart Shop Ordering System, complete 3-dimensional measurement, style release, and quick payment with just one click. The designer receives the shop order task. Based on customer size information, Rich Piece Garment CAD system automatically generates one version per person. Planning and scheduling system automatically plans shop orders, reasonably arrange production time, from cutting, embroidery, template sewing, patch pocket, etc. All have been automated. Easily connect all machines to the cloud. Our Internet of Things able to connect with all brands or equipment. All machines can be connected to the Internet of Things. Easily obtain production data for each machine. All data interconnection. All you need is a mobile phone or PAD. See real-time orders, production progress, equipment status, etc. Anytime and anywhere. Finishing production line. Use laser burning instead of water washing process. Energy saving and environmental protection. Automatic ironing, inspection. Automatic packaging, greatly shorten the production time of ready-made garments. Each production line is equipped with a large data screen. Utilize big data, cloud computing and multidimensional AI intelligent algorithms. Accurate analysis of production line capacity, working hours statistics, rapid work reporting, etc. Not only equipment, but also workshop environment data can be obtained. A pair of jeans from start to finish only takes 20 minutes. You can get your customized clothing. Do you want to try this system?